Hello friends, this is the quick fix for the Logitech MX Master 3S. Today is 9th of Jan and for the last 2 days I was facing an issue where Logi Options Plus was not opening on my Mac. Whenever I tried to open the application, it was stuck on its default screen with a loading bar and it just kept loading continuously. I just checked online and found that some users suggested changing the system date of the Mac as a workaround. I tried that as well, but unfortunately, it didn't work for me. Finally, I found the official solution on the Logitech website. All you need to do this is go to the link shared in the description, download and install the latest version of Logi Options Plus. After installing the update software, Logi Options Plus opened normally and started working perfectly. Just make sure that your system date is set to the current date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this will help you.